there are two different gods which people worship today. The number one is the money. Money become the greatest idol in the world today. The second god which people worshiping, and it is exclusively for the people who already have a lot of money. When people have no money, their struggle is all their life is to make money. So money become God now for them. They don't think anything except money. But when they have money, they become rich. What is their God now to achieve? They want to become popular. They want to become very well known. They started to show off. They show their money, they show their palaces, they show their cars, and they show their talent also. Celebrities, sports people. It is the second God which people worshiping today. These are the two gods in the world today. The money and becoming popular, becoming a celebrity, becoming a sports personal. Prophet Muhammad said, did you not see the Abdul Dinar, the slave of dirham, the slave of dinar? The dirham is a silver coin, dinar is a gold coin. And he said also, there are people who are Abdul Kamis. Abdul Kamis means the slave of the shirt, slave of the fashion, metaphorical. So people become celebrity and they want to become fashion and they want to show off to the people that look at this, I'm very fashionable and I'm very admiring to people and I'm very attractive because I wear so many brands. And brand showing, Louis Vuitton and this, showing the brand. Buying the bag for 1 million pesos for what? Nothing. Just showing off. Buying the bowl in the bathroom for 200,000 for showing off that my bowl in the bathroom is 200,000. So that's the second God which people worship, is to become popular. They want to become popular with the people. They want to make lots of show off. You can go around in the media, Facebook, everywhere, people trying to show off. Everything they want to show off. They want people to be praise them and to be able to worship them. So may Allah save us from those false gods, to worship only one true God, Allah, and not to do idol worship.